Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show recover deleted call records or recover deleted audios. If you want to recover your deleted call records or recover your deleted audios and recover deleted voice records, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see your Google Play Store, open it. And then here you can see deleted audio recovery, recover deleted audios app. Please install this app and then open it. Here you can see restore deleted audios from your phone storage. How it works: the app will show all the audios, deleted and not deleted. Just keep looking and you will find audios you are looking for. And then here you can see restore option, so click here restore. Here you can see allow audio recovery to access photos, media and files on your device, and then you can choose allow option, so click here allow option. And remember, restore deleted audios from your phone storage. And then here you can see restore deleted audios, so click here restore deleted audios option. Here you can see scanning completed, 934 deleted files found. And remember, files means your deleted call records or deleted audio records or deleted voice records found. And then show deleted files option, click here. Here you can see in this here recover your all deleted call records, recover deleted audios and recover voice records. And if you want to restore your deleted all call records, restore deleted audios, restore deleted voice records, so let's see how to do that. Here you can see 861 files, so click here. And in this time you can select and choose your need call records and select your deleted audios, so let's see how to do that. Here you can see click here and then click here and then click here. Here you can see restore now option, so click here restore now option. Here you can see restore to deleted audio recovery, view restored audios, so click here. In this here you restore audios and restore call records, and then go back, go back, go back, go back, and then view restored audios, click here. And in this here you restore call records and you restore audios. And remember, you restore all call records and you restore all audios saved on your phone memory, internal storage, folder name deleted audio recovery. So minimize it and go to your phone memory, internal storage. Here you can see my files, open it, and then internal storage, open it, and then deleted audio recovery folder, open it. Here you can see deleted audio recovery folder, and in this here save you restore all deleted call records and restore deleted audios and restore deleted voice records. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.